What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to remove background in Canva. Okay, once you have your image on there, go to Edit Photos, and here under Effects, go to Background Remover. Now, this is going to require you to have a Canva Pro account, which I don't. So what I like to do is I like to go to the website up here, just type that in there, hit Enter, and go to Remove Background from Image here. Okay, choose a photo, choose your image. Okay, and this will take a couple seconds. All right, that's it. Now you download it to your desktop, then go back to Canva, uploads, upload files, transparent pic, open, and there it is. Okay, let's just say that's blue, and there's your image with no background. Okay, then you can mess with it, and that's it. Okay, and there it is. How to remove background in Canva, easy and simple. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.